O upu whai le atunu tofi e whaato mua i le whaatulou i ona mamalu tau ave, ma taalolo i le awa tele, e te wai le vā tapui a tuu nonofo, e awai ona o whaapea atu, tu low lava. Talofa lava from Washington, D.C. It's especially sweet for me to know this year, after all the interruptions of the pandemic, that the festival is going forward. In the Samoan art of the Tatau, in the Pe'a or Songa Imiki and the Malu, we see one of the most recognizable parts of our island tradition and the celebration of our ancient culture. In modern times, the Tatau tells the world, I am Samoan. The Pe'a has been a marker of courage for generations. The Malu protects, shelters, and binds the Samoan woman to our culture. It signifies a commitment to the Fa'asamoa, a way that guides us through the ups and downs of life. As you know, I'm usually there for this event, and I can't wait to be home again. But I know you'll have a wonderful Tatau Fest. I want to say a special thank you and congratulations to Tisa for making this celebration possible. I hope everyone enjoys themselves and the meaning and history, since we are caretakers of our traditions. I think of this festival and its connection to our tourism and travel as symbolic of our efforts to renew our local economy. Here in Washington, it's getting a little colder every morning at this time of year, and I'd love to be back home with you at beautiful Alenga Beach and Alenga Bay. God bless. Soifua Maia Manuia.